Hello students, I am Pitambar Gadve. In previous video, we studied radiation heat exchange between two black surfaces where we get new term which is called as shape factor. After that, we studied shape factor and its different laws. Now in this lecture, we will see some numericals on shape factor. So first numerical is a sphere of radius 5 cm is concentric with another sphere. We have to find the radius of an outer sphere so that shape factor of outer sphere with respect to inner sphere is 0.6. So let us solve this numerical. So what is given to you? We have given two concentric spheres. So given two concentric spheres. Two concentric spheres are given to us, okay, which having radius, inner radius is given r1 is equal to 5 cm, okay, and we have to determine the radius of outer sphere. That means we have to determine r2 when shape factor of outer surface to inner surface is given to us. Okay, let us draw the diagram. Suppose this is an inner sphere. Which having radius of r1, and let us consider another sphere which is concentric to the first sphere which having radius of r2. So let us consider this is radius r2. Okay, and let us suppose this surface is surface 1 and this is surface 2. We have given the shape factor of outer surface with respect to inner surface, means shape factor of 2 with respect to 1 is given to you, which is equal to 0.6. Okay, so let us calculate this. Calculate the radius of an outer sphere earth. We know a reciprocity theorem or a reciprocity law of shape factor. We have A1 into F122 is equal to A2 F221. Now here by observation we can say the shape factor of 1 with respect to 2 is equal to 1, because whatever radiation is emitted by surface 1, because it is concentric sphere, whatever radiation emitted by surface 1 is absorbed by surface 2. So we can say F122 is equal to 1. Therefore we can write F221 is equal to A1 upon A2, and we know this A1 is a surface area of an inner sphere, and we have surface area of an inner sphere is equal to 4 pi r1 square, whereas surface area of outer sphere is equal to 4 pi r2 square. So let us put the values. F21 is equal to 4 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r2 square. So this 4 pi gets cancelled. r1 square upon r2 square is equal to F122, and we have F122 value is given 0.6. Therefore 0.6 is equal to r1 is given 5 square upon r2 square, and from this we can easily calculate value of r2. So radius of outer sphere is, we get it is 6.45 centimeter. 6.45 centimeter is a radius of a outer sphere. Now we will see another numerical, that is radiation shape factor of a circular surfaces of a thin hollow cylinder of 10 centimeter diameter and 10 centimeter length is 0.1716. What is the shape factor of a curved surface of the cylinder with respect to itself? So let us solve this numerical. Let us write down first given data. We have given a hollow cylinder. cylinder. Hollow cylinder is given. So let us draw the diagram for hollow cylinder. Diagram for hollow cylinder. Okay, so suppose this is a hollow cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder. Okay, so what is given to us? A radiation shape factor of circular surface of thin hollow cylinder of diameter. So diameter is given, D is equal to 10 centimeter, and length of that is also given 10 centimeter. So radiation shape factor of a circular faces. Radiation shape factor of a circular faces. Let us consider this is one circular face. This is another circular face. Let us consider this is circular surface 1. This is circular surface 2, and curved surface is 3. That means the radiation shape factor between this circular surface and this surface is given to you is F122 is equal to 0.1716. It is given to us. Now we have to determine shape factor of this curved surface. Shape factor of this curved surface means this is a cylinder. We have to determine shape factor of curved surface with respect to itself. So diameter is given, length is given, and shape factor of this circular surface with respect to another circular surface is given to us. Okay, so as there are three surfaces, it forms the enclosure. It forms the enclosure, and we know by enclosure theorem, or law of radiation shape factor, we can write it for surface 1, F11 plus F12 plus F13 is equal to 1. F11 plus F12 plus F13 is equal to 1. And we know by observation this is a plane surface, so F11 is equal to 0. Radiation shape factor with respect to itself is 0. The value of F12 is given, so we can easily determine value of F13. So F13 is equal to 1 minus F12, which is equal to 1 minus F12 is 0.1716. So from that we get F13. So F13 is equal to, by calculating this we get 1 minus 0.1716 is equal to 0.8284. Okay, so this is radiation shape factor of surface 1 with respect to surface 3. Now we know reciprocity theorem. So by using reciprocity theorem, apply this reciprocity theorem to surface 1 and 3. So by reciprocity law, we have A1 into F13 is equal to A3 F31. Okay, so we have value of F13, so we can put here F13, and we know area of one, surface area of one is, it is circular surface, so its area is pi by 4 into d square. Pi by 4 d square into F13 is equal to, this is curved surface, so pi d into L is its surface area. This is pi d circumference into its length, so its area is pi dl into F31. So let us put the values and calculate answer. So we have pi by 4 into diameter is 10 square into F13 is 0.8284 is equal to pi into 10 into 10. Diameter is 10, length is also 10 into F31. And from this we can easily calculate shape factor of 3 with respect to 1. So shape factor of 3 with respect to 1 is equal to 0.207. 0.207 is the shape factor of 3 with respect to 1. 3 with respect to 1. Now we have to determine shape factor of 3 with respect to 3. So apply enclosure theorem by enclosure theorem to surface 3. Enclosure theorem to surface 3, we get F31 plus F32 plus F33 is equal to 1. And here we know F31 and F32, these are symmetrical to each other. Therefore, because of symmetry, F31 is equal to F32. So put the values and calculate F33. So by putting the values, we get F31 is equal to 0.207 plus F31 is equal to F32. So again it is 0.207 plus F33 is equal to 1, and from this we get F33 is equal to 0.58. Is the shape factor of surface 3 with respect to itself. Thank you.